In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable or enable Google Chrome Print Preview in any Windows PC or laptop. By default, when you print from Google Chrome, it opens the Chrome Print Preview window. Some people prefer to bypass that preview and use the classic Windows Print dialog instead. This can be helpful if you need advanced printer options, if your printer software works better with the system dialog, or if Print Preview is causing issues. I will show you how to switch to the system dialog right from the print screen in Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop. Make sure you are on a page you are ready to print. This can be a website, a document opened in the browser, or anything that supports printing. Next, press the Ctrl and P keys on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Chrome Print interface. On the left side, you will see your print settings, and on the right, you will see a preview of what will print. Now look at the bottom of the left sidebar and locate the section labeled More Settings. It is a drop-down area that can be collapsed or expanded. Click the More Settings text to expand it. This reveals additional print options that are hidden by default. After you expand More Settings, scroll down to the very bottom of that left sidebar. Take your time here because the link you need is near the bottom, and it is easy to miss if you stop scrolling too soon. At the bottom, click the link that says Print Using System Dialog. When you click it, Chrome will open the classic Windows Print pop-up, instead of continuing with the Chrome Print Preview workflow. In some cases, the Windows dialog may take a moment to appear, so give it a second. In the Windows Print window, select your printer from the list. Double-check that the correct printer is chosen, especially if you have multiple printers installed, such as a physical printer and a PDF printer. Finally, click the Print button to send the job to the selected printer. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.